All right. Well, wow, my hair's.
Good morning.
Yeah, crazy. Good morning to the crazy party last night. Oh, we went to bed at like 4 o'clock this morning. I woke up about 10, made some more shakshuka. I don't know. I feel like I messed it up this morning. It wasn't all that great. But we're headed
There's a lot of meat and a lot of cheese.
Yeah.
And now we're headed to the waterfall.
Yep, meeting up with Melvin, and then we're gonna check out these waterfalls, so we'll get some videos of that.
Oh, that cat, I want that cat. Of all the cats in the world, that is my cat. And we must steal him.
That is a pretty kitty cat.
Oh my gosh, he looks like a little Bob coming to me. Look, he's looking at me, he wants me. His tail just went up.
He went to sleep, that's what he did.
He wants me. Yes, I'm your mama. I'm your new mommy.
That is a pretty cat.
Oh my gosh. I freaking love this like curved staircase of a house.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Bye, kitty cat.
Hi.
Back to nap time.
This tree's so fuzzy.
What does this tree look like, babe?
Medusa.
Wow.
Look at how swoops that man.
Can you see Centro from here?
No, it's on the other side of this hill.
Like right around this corner right here? Wow, yeah, because that's the island over there. Wow. That's awesome.
We've made it to our first part of the waterfalls. This is beautiful. It's all the way up. I mean, we'll rescue you in case something goes wrong. I was a lifeguard once. Wow.
Like starting up here, you could definitely slide down that.
The water is so clear. Oh, it's slippery. Hold on. Ugh.
Wow! You want me to take it?
Woo-wee. About to jump off this bad boy. Maybe. It's really cold. Haven't decided yet. Let's go, Melvin. Come on now. Hey, video's rolling. You gotta do it.
Come on, Melvin!
Oh my God. Oh, he is freezing right now. Atta boy. All right, Katie, you're up.
Wow,
Is it? Did you touch? Did you touch bottom? All right, bet. Huh? All right, babe.
I want a video of me going up this.
You're coming.
Oh, sorry. You gotta come back up here somehow. Melvin, how do you get back up here?
I don't know if y'all can hear me. What are you doing?
What?
Video?
No.
I don't know if y'all can hear me over the waterfall, but the other day I was wearing longs. These are shorts. These are definitely shorts. These can actually, these not look that high. But I know how cold the water is.
Melvin made it look easy.
Can you see me in this swim?
Yes.
Melvin made it look really easy. Huh? What? I know where to jump. I don't want to be that cold. I know how cold it is.
Come on, let's go. 3, 2, 2, 1, go!
Oh my God!
He's cold. Woo!
It's like, oh boy. Hey, no, we'll just come back up for the towels. If we did it, she can do it. That was like absolute like bone chilling. It was, probably one of the coldest I've ever been. It was, you get in the water and you think you're like about to freeze and like you have to get out so your body doesn't lock up on you. It is.
Where do you jump?
It's a cold day. The dark part, it's a cold day. Probably like, not cold, but like 50 degrees, not warm. And it's mountain spring water. So beautiful clear water, but oh my gosh.
Ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
She's freezing right now.
I'm sliding!
Sorry, the video's shaky. I'm shaking so bad. How was it?
Not nearly as cold as you said. I feel like that wasn't as bad as ice bath.
Alright, I'm gonna mute that part of the video.
Woohoo! That cat I have ever
Oh.
seen.
My gosh.
Oh.
That is a messed up kitty.
Hi, cat. Are you okay?
Oh, you poor baby. She just wants some loving.
Are you okay?
Looks like it has rabies.
Oh,
No, she doesn't.
poor thing. It looks like you just were like born in the wilderness and just found a path for the first time.
Whoa.
Wow, you're disgusting. Hi.
He's purring though. He's like
I
a little
know.
hobo kitty cat.
You are a little hobo cat. Oh.
Oh god. Hey baby.
This is the cat that started COVID.
Fuck off. He just needs some loving and attention.
Oh my gosh, he really wants love, but like, wow. Should we take him back?
What's up, kitty cat? You are messed up looking.
Fighting with Carlos.
Yeah, he
No,
look.
but I feel like this is
He looks like
Carlos's
he
soulmate.
looks like he's been in some bar fights for sure.
Yeah.
I think him and Carlos are meant to be together.
Hey, kitty cat, you look like you need a little bath and a good real. Oh my gosh, he's got so many knots. He's like got dreads on his stomach.
Gosh, this cat is messed up.
He's
Look.
purring so loud.
I know, you little crackhead cat. Oh my gosh.
Oh man, this is so
I
sad.
think we should take him to see Carlos.
You want to see Carlos? Oh my gosh, he has stuff coming out of his mouth, big
Yeah, dude.
time.
This. Can we get him some food somehow?
Baby, I
Come
love
on,
you.
kitty.
I hope you have a good day.
Come on, kitty.
Just 500 meters more.
Really?
Slowly. Hey, it's too fast for you.
Faster, run!
Oh my.
No, asking him, bro. Why are you? I'm doing it. I'm in the army or something.
די, מספיק, חדל!